Good day, wonderful investors. Guess what? I'm so delighted to be here. Today is our newly launched estate, Peak Resort and Golf Course, located in Lakowe, just very close to Express. So this estate has all it takes, and I am encouraging you all investors to key into this estate because we have an amazing offer to render to you all. That is selling at the launch price of 10 million naira plus 600 square meters and 7.5 for 450 square meters, then 5 million naira for 300 square meters. So I told you that the idea for inspection. Believe me, like this and so many infrastructure coming up. So you can see this estate is located in a built-up environment. You can see houses all over. So just to let you know that you are not buying bush. Already in a built-up environment. The promo price has been extended to next week Wednesday. So for now we are still selling at the pre-launch price of 600 square meter for 10 million naira and 300 square meter for 5 million naira. So and there's an extension, there's an 1,000 square meter that will be after the lake. So but there will be an artificial lake in this estate. There will be a golf course. So this is the right time for you to invest into this estate. Please buy now, and by next week you'll be 5 million naira richer because your return on investment will be 5 million naira. Okay, let me show you the entrance to Peak Resort and Golf Course. From the video, you can see houses in this environment. Just to let you know that this estate is located in a built-up environment and is close to the express road and very close to Lakowe Golf. So slide into my DM or give me a call for inspection and closing of deal. Thank you.